If I had the chance, I'd probably break free. I could have my weight, I could let it be. I could do what I want, but it's just an illusion, illusion.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a fall decor centerpiece. I'm so excited to be making that. I am also reviewing a product from Party Bargains. They are these really pretty gold rimmed plates. So they sent me a whole package of them. So you get 20 of the bigger plates, and these are 10¼ inch wide, and then these are 7½ inches wide as well. So these are so pretty, and they're so thick, so they're like a pretty good quality for a disposable plate. So I mean, you can use these for anything. I thought these would be really pretty since they're gold rimmed. I thought these would be so pretty for like Christmas or even like Thanksgiving. If you like have your family over for Thanksgiving, I thought these were really nice, or just to set your table really pretty, just with plastic plates. So they're disposable, you can hand wash them, and you can also recycle them. So if it's not something that, you know, you want to keep around, but you can, which I think is really cool. But I mean, these would be so pretty for weddings, for like what, engagement parties, bridal showers. I just think that these are really nice and they're really good quality. And if you want to check these out, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below, along with a coupon code so you get 40% off of these. So I think that is a great deal. So make sure you guys go and check these out. And I'm going to start making my awesome centerpiece. And I hope you enjoy this video. And we are going to get started. Okay, so everything for this centerpiece is 100% Dollar Tree. I have these like little clip-on pumpkins, and they were so easy just to rip the clips right off. I also have some acorns, and then I also have these like little decorative balls I used. I actually got these lights through On4You, so I will leave the link in the description box below if you want to get some of those cute little fairy lights. So I just got this little vase from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm just adding a ton of cute little fall decor items to it. I just thought this looked so cute, and it was so easy to make. And the next thing I'm doing, I got this bottle from the Dollar Tree, you guys, so I'm probably going to just stop saying that, and this popcorn from there from a while back. I love the bottle because it has like little leaves on it, and I thought it'd be so great for fall. I picked them up so long ago. I can't even remember. It was probably a couple months ago. And then I am just going to fill this with popcorn kernels, and I just thought that looked really cute. And I see so many things on Pinterest with popcorn kernels, and obviously I need more popcorn, but we'll just work with that for now. And then I'm also using a vase I just made in my last Dollar Tree DIY, so I will link that below if you want to check out that video as well. I made 3 different types of vases, and then I got this burlap pumpkin, and then this little sign right here. Those were in my last Dollar Tree haul. And then I also got this little straw bale of hay from there. Straw bale, and I called it hay. Okay, well, it's straw. So anyways, let's just keep going. But I got all these, I got everything from the dollar store. So like I said, you guys better go now. So if your fall stuff is out, get there, because it will be gone, because I know so many people have been waiting to get all of this cute little fall decor. And I'm just moving everything around probably a million times until I got it right, because the sign was kind of hidden, so I thought I would put it on this straw bale, and it looked so cute. And then I am just throwing pumpkins in there and going crazy. And then these are my cute little plates. I just threw little pumpkins on them because they are just like too pretty to even eat off of at this point. But I know that we will. But that is it, you guys, for my video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for Party Bargains for sending these plates to me. If you guys would like to purchase these, I will leave a link in the description box below, along with a promo code. So make sure you guys go and check them out. And if you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Yeah, I sometimes feel like